Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you another organizational kind of video. Yes, I finally caved in and purchased my very own Raskog cart. I saw a lot of journalers that owns this cart, so I just caved in and got my own as well. So I got mine at the furniture source back when it was on sale. It's like an IKEA-ish kind of store here in the Philippines, but more so on that some other time. Anyways, moving on, here is this video is going to be a speed up organizational kind of video for you guys, just in case you want to organize your cards with me, or maybe you just like watching organizational videos just like I do. I am going to show you guys more in depth what's in my Raskog cart by the end of this video, so just keep on watching. Now let's start off at the very top, which is pretty much the part where I reach for the most. In this area I keep here are my traveler's journal for now, because as of the moment I am working from home, so I'll need a quick access to see my to-dos for the day. Next to it, I also have here are the variety of sticky notes or post-its that I own, and a bunch of index cards to write in some note cards or cue cards whenever I'm studying for something. I also have here are two recycled jars of my two collections, which are pins and patches, and that's pretty much it. So that completes the top section of my Raskog cart. Actually, can you guys leave any name suggestions for this new member of our journaling family? Because to be honest, I'm not really feeling the name Raskog for this beauty. Yeah, those are the ones that I reach for the most. Not so much for the pins and patches. They are just there to complete the space on top and to maintain a flat surface, because this cart's home is going to be under my vanity. So yeah, that's more so the reason why I kept everything on top flat. Now moving on to the second tier of my Raskog cart, here I have all the half-filled notebooks or planners that I've hoarded throughout my lifetime. Just kidding. I'm sure there are more hidden notebooks in some bookshelves in my room, but these are the ones, or the pretty ones, that I like looking at most of the time. I have here is the Starbucks planner that my aunt gifted me, Love Yourself notebook that was gifted to me by Sam, my sketch notebook. I actually bought this just because of the design or the cover. I didn't care much for the paper at the time. Next I have this geometric designed notebook. Beside it is my Metanoia, which is my 2019 paper journal, so I actually use that. Next is another gift that I would not bother pronouncing the logo. And last is my Victorious journal that I hated daily paper because it was too thin, so I keep it just because it was expensive and it's pink. In front of it, I have here is this recycled pint of ice cream that I use as my trash bin whenever I'm journaling. Now moving on to the right, I have here are all of my stamp collections. I do have a cart on Shopee that is filled with stamps, so yeah, I need a new place for this one very soon. But yeah, that's pretty much all the stamps that I collect. Also, leave any suggestions for a stamp pad, because what I'm using right now really sucks, so I need a suggestion for that. Behind this stamp collection, I have here just a bunch of envelopes that I put important documents at, and below it are just this box that I keep random torn out papers or gift wrappers that I like to reuse for my journals. Now moving on to the last tier, I have here are all my inserts for my traveler's journal, because I don't know with you guys, but my hoarding notebook days are over and I'm sticking with my digital journals and this inserts because it's more affordable and much so better for our environment, I guess. Next to it, I have here are just random ropes that are for a later DIY project that I'm going to work on. Beside it is a scrapbook that I haven't yet filled out and an album for my 18th birthday. Now for the last part, behind all this stuff is just a toolbox that I used to carry around back when I was in college because we were required so. But yeah, they're pretty much just a bunch of junk that I own and are cluttered around my room. But yeah, that completes this whole what's in my Raskog cart video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. My goal is to reach to 1,000 subscribers before my 25th birthday, so do help a girl out. Spread the news to your friends, your co-workers, and family members. If you're still bored or you want to do some other things, watch us other videos. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll chat to you guys on my next video. Bye guys.